Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bagel breakfast sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 fresh bagels, 2 large eggs, 1 slice of your preferred cheese, and about 2 ounces of breakfast meat like bacon or sausage. Don't forget any extra toppings such as sliced avocado or a dash of hot sauce. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's cook our fillings. For the eggs, you can scramble them, fry them sunny side up, or even make a small omelet. Aim for a soft, fluffy texture. Next, cook your breakfast meat. 2 strips of bacon or 1 sausage patty work perfectly. Finally, toast your bagel halves until they are lightly golden and warm, but not overly crunchy. This ensures a perfect base for our sandwich. It's time to assemble our masterpiece. Take 1 warm bagel half and immediately place a slice of cheese on it so it begins to melt. Then, carefully layer your cooked eggs and breakfast meat on top of the cheese. This creates a wonderful foundation. Now, add any fresh toppings like a few slices of ripe tomato or a dollop of creamy avocado. Don't forget your favorite sauce. The best part about a bagel breakfast sandwich is the endless customization. Feel free to swap out cheddar for provolone or bacon for turkey sausage. Explore different vegetables like spinach or roasted red peppers. A drizzle of sriracha or a spread of pesto can elevate the flavors even further. Serve your incredible sandwich immediately and enjoy every single bite of your personalized creation. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.